Go to King Richard's Antique Center in Whittier for special holiday shopping. Buy gifts that bring back memories of Christmas past with collectibles and antiques, like holiday glassware, collectible ornaments from decades past. Let Mr. and Mrs. Claus bring back the smiles you had as a kid. There's a handcrafted knit Santa that could be the centerpiece of a new holiday tradition. Remember having a milk glassware table set like this? There are home decorations you can't buy in department stores today. There are collectible Coca-Cola holiday items. Remember setting out a holiday cookie jar for Santa? And this sled will bring back memories of a half-century ago. There's holiday jewelry from decades ago that will rekindle holiday memories, and original Hallmark figurines. And you'll find them and a lot more at King Richard's Antique Center in Whittier. And Santa has a Best Buy.
Ho, ho, ho! Mention the Best Buy's TV show and get a free holiday gift.
King Richard's Antique Center, 12301 Whittier Boulevard, Whittier. 562-698-5974. KingRichardsAntiques.com.